Welcome back to the channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 18. The day has finally come that we're going to be turning this into this. I don't know if you can hear that, but that is pouring rain. That's what you call real dedication. I said I was getting this tree up, and we are going to get this tree up one way or the other. I'm so excited that you guys are still here, still tuning in. And just to give you a heads up, you got to have Jesus on your side when you are decorating a Christmas tree with a 7-year-old. I'll see you guys at the house. Let's show them the drip. Let's show them the drip. What you got on, Justin? What you got on?
Pikachu on from Pokemon, my favorite thing and show.
And what are you excited to do today?
Build a Christmas tree.
So you guys already know the drip is real light. You know, we got the gold earrings and the green festive sweater to match. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. All right, let's go ahead and open this box. All right, Justy, what are we doing?
We're opening the Christmas tree.
Woo! Let's see what's inside. Justy, help me open that side. Yay! Ooh. This is really nice, guys. This is really nice. I'm happy.
Yes. While my mom is unpacking the Christmas tree, we'll be right back.
All of the pieces are here, so let's put the tree together. Making sure that these are aligned. As I continue to fluff, Justin is going to start putting the ornaments on and say a prayer. Say a prayer, okay? Just say a prayer. So this was the box. This is what we got. So I'm happy with how it turned out. I do think the tree is a lot skinnier than how it was on the box. So I love the snow. I love that we chose red and silver with our snowflakes and Justin's creative ornaments. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so you can see some of his fun creative ornaments that he made. That's when he was at a different school. That's 2017. Then this is 2018, and it's a snowman. Super cute. He made this at church when he was so little. And we have some other homemade ornaments like his reindeer.
Coca-Cola.
Okay. So even though the tree is a lot skinnier than on the box, I think it still turned out really well. And me and Justin had a lot of fun.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. And to all a good night. Until tomorrow.
together with you. I don't wanna slay right together with you.